Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Noom account, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin activating your Noom account, open the Noom app or visit the official Noom website. If you are using the app, tap on the sign up button located on the welcome screen. If you are on the website, click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Enter your personal information in the required fields. Please provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the respective box. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click the Continue button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to complete a short questionnaire. This survey will help Noom tailor the program to your individual needs and goals. After you finish the questionnaire, review your responses before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Check your inbox for the email titled Activate Your Noom Account. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click on the activation link enclosed within it. The link will direct you back to the Noom app or website. Here, you will confirm your account setup by following any additional prompts. After confirming your account, you will automatically be logged into Noom. Take a moment to explore the app or website features and interface. Customize your profile with any additional information that Noom may request. Now, you're ready to start your journey with Noom and work towards your goals. Make sure to set up reminders to keep yourself motivated and engaged. Congratulations on activating your Noom account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.